So this is my canning chili video, and the chili is cooked to the consistency I would like for canning. If I was going to eat it tonight, I probably would cook it a lot longer, but once you put it through the canning process, it tends to thicken up a bit more, and so I've decided I would prefer it was a bit loose when I can it, so this is what I'm doing. It does thicken up. The beans will absorb more of the liquid. So, okay, we are going to fill up as many jars as it takes. Hopefully I've got enough to do one load. I may have to do 2 loads in the canner. But we fill it up to 1 inch headspace, and I'll fill up all these jars and then we'll get back to you. Okay, so I've got my canner heating up now, and I've got all my jars full. So at this point I'm going to adjust the headspace on all of them. And okay, so I'm making sure all the air is out of them now. Okay. The next step is to wipe all the rims with vinegar. Add my lid. My rings. And put them in the canner. So we can do this one at a time. Ended up with 13 pint jars here, which is not bad. It means 13 meals with a side bowl of rice or toast, or I prefer the toast myself. Good sourdough bread actually would finish that off nicely. Okay, so I'll finish. Okay, so the canner holds 18 pints. But we don't have that many, but we still have a second layer, so we put a divider. And we've got 9 at the bottom, and we've got another 4 here. And I'll try and space them nice and evenly here. And we put in the balance of our vinegar. Put on our lid. And wait for it to vent. Okay, venting away. I've set the timer for 10 minutes. Okay, the canner is fully vented. And now we'll put on the weight, turn off the timer, and when we get to the correct pressure, which would be 10 pounds for my altitude, then we will can it or time it for 75 minutes for pint jars. Okay, so I've reached 10 pounds pressure. I've set the timer for 75 minutes, and then after the timer goes off, we'll turn it off and allow the canner to come down to 0 pressure without touching it. Okay, they're out of the canner, they're all cooling down. Have to wait until tomorrow take the rings off, wash them, and put them away. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.